So let's start. It is from Nirja. Nirja is asking why manifestation is not working. Now, one thing we have to understand is that manifestation or the law of attraction is working all the time. Whether we are aware about it or not, whether we are following it or not, whether we are conscious about it or not. But it is always working. It's a metaphysical law that is working all the time, and we are attracting things into our life using our thoughts, our feelings, our intentions, our actions, and everything that we are doing. Now, when someone feel that the law of attraction or the manifestation is not working for them, then most of the time it's giving them the opposite result, right? It's not that it's not working, it's not working in their favor. That's what they feel, that's what they think. So most of the time they want to have a success in their job, or they want to have more money, or they want to have the good relationship, but they are probably getting the opposite of what they want, or something else they are getting. So does it mean the law of attraction or manifestation is not working? The answer is no, it's working. Here the situation is it's not working in your favor, or not giving you the kind of result that you are expecting. Now, why is it happening? Number one reason, your belief system is not aligning to your desire. Remember, you have your desire and you have your belief system. Now, most of the time people have been trained to think that when it's come to law of attraction, they think about only the desire. What do I want? What do I want? What do I want? I want the relationship. I want the money. I want the job. I want the business success. I want the car. I want XYZ. So most of the time people are trained to believe that law of attraction is all about anything that you want and you'll get it. No, it's not like that. Law of attraction is about desire, but then it's about the belief system that you have, the beliefs that you have. Now, when there is a tussle between, or misalignment between your desire and your belief, who is going to win? Your belief. Yes. So if you don't have a positive belief aligned to your desire, then you are not going to manifest the desire. You are going to manifest according to the belief only. Now when it's come to manifestation, your desire and your belief has to be aligned. Now, how do you know that your belief is aligned? If your vibration is aligned with the desire, if your vibration is aligning, if your vibration is positive. And how do you know your vibration is positive? How do you feel about that desire? Now, I get hundreds and thousands of emails and questions and messages from people where they say like, AJ, I want to manifest this one thing, but I'm not manifesting. Why the law of attraction or the manifestation is not working for me? Why is it so? I do believe in the universe, I do believe in the law of attraction, but why it's not working for me? And I always tell them, it's working, but it's not working in the alignment. So then I ask them, how do you feel when you think about your desire? Now you will be surprised, or many of you must be feeling the same thing, that when they think about that desire, whether that money, whether that relationship, whether that weight loss, whether that new car, new home, new job, anything, many a times all these people who are asking, they are feeling bad, they are feeling worried, they are feeling sad, they are feeling lack when they think about their desire. So they're desiring an outcome, they're desiring something, they're dreaming something, but the feeling is negative. Means their vibration is negative. So how can you win it? How can you manifest it? So that's why it's important to align your vibration. That's why we have to do the tools, techniques, processes to align our vibration, to reprogram our belief system so that we can attract the desire what we are desiring. Now the second condition where you are doing everything right, or maybe you are staying positive, you have the belief, but you are still not manifesting. Why is it so? This happens in that condition where you are so fixate on one thing or one person or one particular place where what you are expecting is not existing. Let me tell you this. Law of attraction is not about attracting a thing or a person or an outcome, but it is about attracting the experience. So whenever you desire something, whether it's a job, whether it's money, whether it's the new car, new home, it's the amazing relationship, what you are manifesting deep down, you are manifesting happiness, you are manifesting joy, you are manifesting luxury, you are manifesting love, you are manifesting security, you are manifesting something, some experience deep down in that thing or that place or that person or that outcome. Sometimes you are desiring a manifestation, but it's not like that what you are expecting. So how can you get it? And many times people who are thinking that their manifestation is not coming true because they are expecting something, an experience or something positive from a negative place, from a negative person, from a negative situation. And that's why they are not getting, because that other person or that place or that thing is not really aligned. So in that case, what you have to focus on is you have to focus on your experience that you want to have, what you want to manifest, so that wherever it is existing, the law of attraction will guide you to be in there. Example, let's suppose if you are working in a job, let's suppose you are working in a government job, and your salary, you have a lot of comfort and you are getting an X amount of salary. And the department or the company or the organization is a set process. But now you want to be rich very quickly, you want to earn 10x within next 1 year. And you are expecting that I should get 10x from this job. But this job has a limitation of the salary, and not even the top boss in this company, or not even someone with 10 years more experience than you get 10x out of this job. But you are focusing that no, I want to get 10x from this job only. But the job do not have that money. How can you get it? So what you have to do, if you want to earn 10x, you have to focus on earning 10x. You have to focus on, and you have to tell the universe that universe, show me the path. And maybe you will get a side job, maybe you will get a part-time job, maybe you will get a business opportunity, maybe you will get another job in another company which will pay you that amount. Same way in relationship, many a times people make this mistake of focusing on a very negative person, and they expect a very loving, positive experience from this person. And they say, no, I want love from this person only, but he should love me happily, positively, understand me, support me, care for me, be loving to me, be supportive to me, everything. But that person is absolutely negative, that person is a narcissist, that person has lot of negativity, nothing good, and he is or she is not expecting anything positive in his or her life. And not ready to be committed, not ready to have good life, not ready to have anything, not spiritual, not positive, nothing. There is absolutely nothing positive in that person. And that person is not even expecting to have anything positive in his or her life. But now, because you are attracted to that person, you are setting that focus that no, I want everything positive from this person only. Now, tell me, it is not there, how can you get it? So, if you put everything in that case, even if your vibration is positive, in that case, even if your belief is positive, but you are expecting something positive from a negative place, so you will not manifest it. The manifestation won't work. It will only go away all your energy. It will only suck all your energy. And this is the mistake many people are doing. And if you are making this mistake, and if this is an eye-opener, do let me know in the comment that this is an eye-opener. You don't have to tell your story, but let me know, because this is where many people are making mistake. But the moment they realize that I am expecting so much of love or positivity from someone who is absolutely negative, then they shift their focus and they say, like, I deserve love, I deserve positivity, I deserve happiness, I'm going to manifest it. And then they open themselves and the universe line up with the right person who is also positive, aligned, spiritual, magical. And that moment later when you get it into this relationship, you get everything that you are desiring. And so many people are in our awesome tribe have also experienced the same. So the question is, if you are not manifesting, if you think manifestation is not working for you, the manifestation is working, the law of attraction is working. There are two major reasons if it is not giving you the desired result. Either your vibration and belief system are not aligned with the desire, or what you are desiring from someone, from some place, for some situation is not aligned to what you want. So you have to keep it aside and focus on your vision so that the right person or situation or opportunity will get aligned, and then you'll know this is what you are manifesting. But manifestation is always working. And I believe this answer is an eye opener for all of you, because many people are struggling. Hit the like button. And if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, because 50% people who are watching my videos are not yet subscriber, please, please, please do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notification. And most importantly, when you subscribe to our channel, YouTube will recommend our videos and channel to more people like you who are ready to transform their life.